Hey everyone, how's it going? Thanks for stopping by my channel. I'm Danielle LaRocca and I'm here to talk to you. So today I wanted to do a video for you guys, and this is sort of like a part 2 of a video that I had already released. I had bought a brand called Sydney Grace, and they were mystery bags and I unboxed them. They were full of eyeshadows and blush and stuff like that. So today I wanted to actually test them out. So I have them all right here in this palette that I created. I'm covering up one because it's not Sydney Grace, but all of these are Sydney Grace colors and we're going to test them out today. And I'm going to be doing like the highlighters and blush and the loose glitter as well. So if you want to see the look that I create, then go ahead and stay tuned. So I did my foundation and all that stuff, and now we're on to the blush. In my mystery bag in the last video, I got these two. This shade is called Stiletto, and this shade is called Pink Raz. So I used Pink Raz on my Instagram stories the other day, so I think I'm gonna dip into the shade Stiletto. Okay, so you're a little closer now and we're going in with the shade Stiletto. So I do need to get another palette for this because they do come as like, you know, the magnetic pan things. So you need to get like how I got for the eyeshadows, one of these. And I bought this on Amazon, and I will link that description down below. But here's the blush. I love how it has a little bit of like a highlight to it. So there is the blush. Okay, next we have the highlighters. There's these two. So this one is called Making Jam, and this one is called Whipped Berry. I think I'm gonna go in with this one just because I'm not too sure about this gold and how that would show up on my skin. So I'm gonna try this pinkish shade and see what happens. So it does have a protective covering on it, and again this shade is called Whipped Berry. Let's put it up here. So I put the highlight on my lower forehead right above my eyebrow, and I put some on my nose and my Cupid's bow. They're pretty pigmented. I used just a little bit and you can really see the highlight. So I'm really impressed with those. Next we're going to move on to the eyes. So I am going to be taking my Morphe eyelid primer. Okay, eyes are primed and now we're gonna dip into the palette. So like I said, I bought this on Amazon and I will link it down below in my description. I think it was about like $8, and it comes with a mirror, which is nice, and then this holds 12 shades. Now I do have a shade in here that's not Sydney Grace because I bought the Jeffree Star Put It Back shade, and that one just came as a single as well. So I figured, why not add it in there? It holds all my Sydney Grace ones and it holds my Jeffree Star one. So I think what I want to do is use this shade up top, and this one is called Summer Heat, and I'm gonna use that on my brow bone and inner corner. So I'm just taking it like that for now. And I'm going to do the other eye, and then we're going to blend this out with a brush that doesn't have any product on it. So now I'm going in with a brush that doesn't have any product on it, and I'm just gonna kind of go in circles and fluff it out. Next, I'm gonna go in with this purple shade, and this is called Masquerade Ball. And I'm gonna pop that under here. And again, I'm going to blend it out with a fluffy brush. So it's kind of like this purple, like sunset color. Next, I want to take this like magenta shade, and that one is called Magic Act. I'm going to put that on my lid. Next, I'm going to take the shade down here. I think that one's called like Golden Strawberry. And I'm just going to put that a little bit up here on my brow bone. Then on an angled brush, I want to try this vibrant blue. That one's called Juggler, and I'm going to put that on my lower lash line. Okay, now that's left is the glitter. So I'm going to pop this on my inner corner. And this loose glitter is called Berry Picking. So that is what it looks like in the inner corner. Okay, so I am going to do the rest of my makeup, my lashes, well, mascara, my eyebrows, eyeliner, all that stuff, and then I will be right back. So this is the look that we created today with the Sydney Grace shades that I got in my mystery bag. Again, I will link that previous video above, and then I will put the Sydney Grace website down in my description along with the link to the Amazon palette that I got. So I hope you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can easily subscribe to my channel when my face pops up down below. Don't forget to check out my other videos on the sides. Thanks again for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.